In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Ikura. Very simple and very easy. One tip I will tell you, you're going to need a Metamask account. That's how we're going to really make this transaction work. So let's dive into this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited about Ikura. It's got so much potential and I want to show you how you can purchase this today. Now, the first website that you need to know, in my opinion, is go to app.ikura.one, and I'll have the link in the description right below this video. So right now, I'm at Ikura. The second thing you want to go ahead and do is very simple. Is you want to go ahead and add Ikura to your Metamask account. Remember, you need to know a Metamask account. So this is what Metamask looks like right now. And right at this moment, I'm actually on the Ethereum mainnet. But let me show you something. If I go back here and switch and add Harmony, it's going to go ahead and ask me, do I want to go ahead and switch to a network of Harmony mainnet? Once I do that, I'm connected. Now, what you will need to do, if this is your first time here, when you add to the mainnet of Harmony mainnet that looks just like this, you will have to approve Ikura. And how you would do that is basically by clicking on this to be connected. Very simple and very easy. One thing I will tell you is that once you click on tools, you can actually address convert your actual information. So let me paste this here. This is actually the Ikura address. I can convert this to the one address. Now this is something you may need later on, but it's good that you can do an address convert to basically go from Ikura, and you also have Harmony 1. So I can convert that, very simple and very easy. Now the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go to your Metamask account, make sure one is in there, and make sure Harmony's in there. Now if you don't have any Harmony, you do need to purchase Harmony. What I did, this is what I did. What I did was I went to Harmony on the CoinMarketCap and I noticed where I can buy Harmony. Now, what I did in the first time, I bought Harmony on crypto.com and just transferred over there. But you also can get this also on Sushiswap. Very simple and very easy. So it's a couple of places you can get Harmony. You do need to have Harmony. So that's really good. It's going on the Harmony mainnet. So what I did was literally swap one for Harmony. So Metamask, make sure you have Ikura's in here. Make sure you have one in there. And then very simple, what I did was I swapped my Harmony for Ikura. So let's go ahead and do this in this right now. So you want to go to app.sushi.com. I'll have that link in the description, but it's very simple to go ahead and do that. So and you can actually get this right from the website of Ikura. So let me go ahead and click on here. This is what this information is here. And then let me go ahead and go do a transaction. So I can do up to 44.91 Harmony 1 and get 20.10 Ikura back. We're going to do a small transaction. And one thing I like about Harmony 1, the fees are extremely low. So if I go do 10 here and swap it, I'm going to swap 10.91 for 4.9 Ikura. And like you see here, my slippage, I moved my slippage to 5 just to see, because I want to make sure the transaction goes through. Normally I use 3 or sometimes 4, but I'm going to try the 5% slippage. How did I get that slippage? I clicked on here and I addressed my slippage here. See that 4 and that 3. So I'm going to adjust my slippage to 5 just to see. Click on there. Let's confirm the swap. And right here, Metamask is going to come up here that you see on my right here. It's going to give me basically a breakdown of the detail, estimated gas fee. Look how low that gas fee is. A little bit different from Ethereum, right? So let me go ahead and do this. Look at the max fee. That's not very much at all. Not very much Harmony 1 that you're being taken out. I'm going to confirm this transaction. And then right here, it says add Ikura to Metamask. So this is what you want to go ahead and make sure that's going to do. It actually did it automatically. I thought I may have to add that in there, but it's good that it went ahead and did it already. If I click on there, it says swap 1 for Ikura has been complete. Sushiswap is very simple and very easy to use. You can use Viper, but I think Sushiswap is just more user friendly, at least to me. So if I go back to my Metamask, I've noticed I've got more Ikura. And I can look at my activity level. Look at this. I move my tokens here. Sushiswap right is actually right here. And then my asset, if I click on here, I actually know assets on Ikura. But I look on activity level. Okay, this is it right here. This is what I just did here not that long ago. Here is a breakdown of the information of the amount, the gas limit, the gas used, the gas price, and the total transaction. And now we just swap more Ikura. We're going to keep a little bit of Harmony 1 for future training assessments, but that's all you do. You use the website of the token. Make sure you connect it to Metamask. Make sure you're on a Harmony mainnet. At first, when I was doing this, I was on the Ethereum mainnet. I was just like this. I was on the Ethereum mainnet, and I was sitting there thinking, where's my Harmony 1? Where's my Ikura? Where's all this at? I realized I was on a different mainnet, different network. So make sure you're on Harmony mainnet. That's going to help you connect it, your Ikura and your 1 together. Make sure you have Harmony 1. There's many places you can get this at as well. If you don't want to use it on Sushiswap, there's many places you can buy it and send it over to your Metamask. You can do that. I did that because I already had Harmony 1 somewhere else and I just transferred over to there. But you can go ahead and get this also on Sushiswap as well. You can buy it on Sushiswap or swap it for Harmony. And then what I did was swap my 1 for Ikura. So very simple and very easy to do. And Sushiswap is really good. You can get Ethereum on here. Actually, look at this. So if I bought Ethereum, Ethereum is really good to get. Ethereum is everywhere, you know. Ethereum's everywhere. But I like in Harmony 1. One more thing I'm going to show you here. This is a little, I wouldn't say a trick here. Down here, you see the transactions. Sushiswap. That's where basically the DEX is from. Viper and Sushiswap are the 2 main ones you're going to see. So where you can buy your purchase your Ikura. And right here, you may see my swap right here. I think this is it right here. I think this is the swap right here. Actually, yeah. This is the swap that we did 2 minutes ago. And you see the fact is, this is it. This is it. This is the one I believe what we just did. I believe so. But anyway, if I go back over here, this will let you know if you're doing it right. If I copy this address here, see that? And if I go to paste address, that lets me know, look at that, Ikura. That's the address Ikura, VI Sushiswap menu. So that information is right there. So that lets me tell me I have the right token address for Ikura because I've got this already here. I've typed it in. I typed Ikura. See that? Ikura right here. I selected that. So that means this is tied into the address that you're going to need when you import it right to MetaMask. So it's very simple and very easy. This is a number of hodlers that you see onto the right. And this is the graph of the price, the trading volume, liquidity, market capitalization, and TX count chart. So it's good to actually look at some of this stuff before you purchase it, because this can indicate you, okay, it's time to buy, or maybe I should pause. But make sure you have a MetaMask account. Make sure you use Harmony 1 because you use a Harmony mainnet. And then Sushiswap or Viper. In this video, we use Sushiswap. Very simple and very easy. And we swap our Harmony 1 for Ikura. And then we make sure it's set up in our MetaMask account. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing more tutorials in terms of not only how to purchase Ikura, or more information that what is Ikura and why it's important for you to hold Ikura, because based off my research, this is something that I'm really excited about in the future. So I'm excited with my 11.148 Ikura, and I hope you actually consider getting this as well. I'll see you in the next video. I will have the links that goes right to this page here for you can get started, and I also will have the link for the sushiswap.com feature as well. This is also through your mobile device. You can use Sushiswap on your mobile device, Metamask on your mobile device as well. I'll see you on the next video.